Welcome to a video of Abron by charging and discharging of a capacitor. We have got the three capacitors here, different values are there written on the side, and there are three resistances. You can read the readings value here. They are to be connected in the circuit by connecting the video here. You can connect the resistance and you can connect any one of them with the capacitor. And this one is for connecting the voltmeter to check the voltage. There is a voltmeter, DC voltmeter, and this one is for checking the positive current going inside the capacitor or negative current coming out of the capacitor. How much voltage is acquired when this capacitor is charged. We have got the power supply, which is 12 volt power supply, and it has 10 volt power supply with the two terminals and to be connected to the circuit. This one is a key discharge and charge. If you are to do the circuit experiment for charging, you have to do the charging. If you have to discharge it, you have to discharge the capacitor like this. Let me show you the circuit. First of all, I am connecting the voltmeter. Here it is negative, positive is connected here, and negative is connected to this. See this, negative is connected. You can connect it, and then I can connect the ammeter. Here we have to connect it in series. This one shows ammeter. We have to connect it here, and this positive goes here. Now these two are connected. Now the next step is to connect the resistance capacitor. You can connect the capacitor by any of this circuit. Now you can see the voltage will be showing after the resistance is connected. You can connect the resistance. These dotted lines are connected. If I can connect it, now the power supply, this is for switching, and then it becomes blank. The capacitor was already charged. I can connect the positive to the power supply. As soon as I connect the negative, it will start charging since it is on charge. Once I connect, immediately no voltage, but the voltage is increasing, means this capacitor voltage is increasing, showing the capacitor voltage across this. And see, this current is reducing. Initially the current will be very fast, higher, and then it is going 0.4, and slowly as the capacitor will keep charging, the resistance will keep reducing. If I can change the resistance value, it will change the reading of charging or resistance. If similarly I can change the capacitor value, it will charge. Now this was already charged. Now this is again discharge capacitor, 0.8 milliampere, and this is charging capacitor. It has a bigger capacity, more current is coming. Now this is reducing. It is becoming 0.6 almost, and voltage is 3 volts, 5 volts. Now you can keep on changing. See this, you can do the time. When you connect it, what is the time? You have to make it two graphs, let it charge, and then it shows. Let us say it is showing you 0.5 volts and 0.4. I can discharge it. I can do discharge also like this. It shows the current, or I can make it like this also. It immediately discharges. Then how much current is still coming in this? Again 1 ampere. Similarly, I can go with the other capacitor. This one, you have to do it first, discharge it, then it starts charging. How much fast it is, because the current and resistance combination is there. 0.4 volts, 0.4 millivolts, and 6 volts has come, 7 volts, 8 volts. Now it is going to be around 8 or 9 volts, 10 volts. I can reduce the voltage, so it changes the current start, and I can increase the voltage. It will make it faster. It changes the time, how much time it takes. The maximum voltage I can use, so the maximum voltage it come across this condenser. Please see this manual is there. It tells you what is the power supply. 0 is 10 volt, and then there is a 2 meters, 0.05, 0.1 ampere, it's milliampere, and 15 volt, or you can. This particular is having the 10 volts. This model is having 10 volts and 1 milliampere. This 0.1 reading. Theory is there. What is the working? You can see how much working is there. Then you can do the discharge. You can calculate the time constant. How much time constant you have to calculate. How much time it takes to fully charge the condenser, and what is duration of the charging. During the charging, what is the voltage and what is the current. You have to make a calculations. And similarly for during discharging also, you have to make a calculation during discharging. This is for charging and this is for discharging. So the procedures are there. you can run, and this is the circuit diagram which is shown. Any circuit, any resistance can be put in this. See this, now this is almost 9 volt, very close to 9 volt. I can now connect the discharge key. Now it was the maximum voltage was 1 milliampere. Now the voltage is coming down, discharging is going on, and then the voltage is coming. Slowly it will be lower voltage, less, very little current will be lost. The capacitor has the capacitor. Similarly, I can go see the other one which was already charged. They are already having some charging here. I can do the experiment and do the experiment. Please visit the website. This is my email, abron01@gmail.com, WhatsApp number 94160200018, and this is our website 94160 abronexports.com. Another is Abron01. Please visit the website. We have all the research instruments. They are for teaching circuits, digital circuits, logic gates, discretionary circuits, experiments, and many other instruments, Hall probe, Hall SCR characteristic, and so many other transistor characteristics, so many training instruments and demonstration boards are with us. Thank you very much. Please share, like the instrument, like the video, and share the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.